Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to install this K&N air filter. It is an air intake filter, a performance one, in this 2021 Toyota Prius. Now of course the first step is to pull your latch and open up your hood. And now here we have the Prius engine bay. Now this sticker that's right here, it won't be in your car. I put this right here because it came with the filter. I've already installed the filter, I'm just now showing you how to install it. So I put this on here so that the people at the Toyota Care Center know not to remove this filter. Okay, this is a lifetime filter. You shouldn't have to ever get another one. And I believe K&N has a lifetime warranty on it, so if you do have to replace it, they will give you the new one for free. You just wash the filter and then put it back in. Now down here, there will be a couple of clips. You just pop both of those off, and then you remove this part. Now there are two little latches back here. I don't know how well you can see them. There we go, now my phone's focused. So you do have to make sure that it pops out of there, and then you just lift it up into the side, and there should be your filter. So now you just pop out the old filter and slide in the new one. Now you do want to make sure that this side, the side that looks like that, is up. Otherwise, when you go to put this back on, it won't close correctly. So now the final step is to put this back into place. Make sure that these latches back here click back into place, and then finally, you pop these back on. And that's how you remove your old worn out filter and replace it with a K&N performance filter. Now if you're putting any filter into your Toyota Prius, any new intake filter, even if it's just the exact same one, just a newer version of it, it's the exact same steps. So you just take out the old one, pop the new one in, and it's that easy. It's not a hard process at all. Anyone can do it. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and consider subscribing, and don't forget to leave a comment. I love reading comments. And see you next time.